What is going on, lawn crew? Today I am doing my last cut with the Toro Multiforce right after this. Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, make sure that you show that like button some love. Be sure to check out our lawn care wear shop on Teespring. The link is in the description below. You guys are going to love the shirts there. If you enjoy this video, please leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, that was the last mow for me with the Toro Multiforce. This thing is a great mower. It's a beast. Obviously it's got to be well built because it's got to be a 4 seasons machine, and it really is. I don't have the attachments for it, nor do I have the hydraulics for it, but they can be purchased, and I am going to sell this machine to somebody that is going to use it to its full potential. So if you think that might be you, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know that you're looking for a mower, and I would be happy to have you come out and demo it, cut with it, drive it, see how you like it, and if you like it, you can take it home. It has the grass flap, which I just replaced the cable. The cable broke at the end of last year, so I just replaced that. It works great. The oil was just changed. It does need a new air filter, and I have not changed the hydro fluid yet. If you're up to that, you could do that. I just haven't gotten to it yet, so if I don't get to it before you want to come and test drive it, then you can do it when you buy it. Alright guys, that is it for the Toro Multiforce. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for what I am purchasing next. And if you've paid attention in this video, you've already seen a small hint. I will see you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you when I debut the new mower.